friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how we can set company logo in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So I have created one company, that is Sriram Finance Company. So I will go to the master setup company. So from here I will select Sriram Finance Company, and so here you can see this logo. So I will set the company logo. I will select here file. So let's select the file. So this is the company logo, suppose. So I will just update from here. So I have updated. Now we can just sign out from here and log in as a re-login again. So here I will log in again. Now you can see, let's check. So here you can see that I have added the company logo for my company. So this time we can attach the company setup logo. We can set up company logo and we can create the company as well in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a nice day.